Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to trigonometry class. Today we'll discuss new concept, that is angle wheel. Before that, just we'll try to recall what we studied in the last class. So we are discussing about value of standard angles of trigonometry angles. That means to say 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree and 90 degree. I mean to say again, it is 0 degree, pi by 6 radian, pi by 4 radian, pi by 3 radian and pi by 2 radian. So both measurement you are supposed to remember in this trigonometry. You have to know measurement in radians, how you remember all the degrees and how you supposed to convert radian to degree. Both way you supposed to remember in this class. So I mean to say, so just we'll try to recall all the values. So I said just to remember, you remember only one angle, that is sine 0 is 0. That is more sufficient, so that rest of the things you can easily make out. And two things you supposed to remember, one is sine 0 is 0 and sine is increasing from 0 to 90. Second thing is cos 0 is 1 and cos is decreasing from cos angles decreasing from 0 to 90. This is the two things you supposed to remember. Rest of the things you can get from this information. Let's see how exactly you can supposed to get different values of different angles. First of all, sine 0 is 0. Then sine 90 is 1. If you remember these two connections, cos 0 is 1, cos 90 is 0. These two things you can write in parallel. Like I mean to say, this is sine, this is cos. This is 0 degree, this is 90 degree. So sine 0 is 0, sine 90 is 1 and cos 0 is 1. Whatever write 1 here, 1. This is 0. This way you supposed to write and remember. Similarly, middle one, 45 degree. You can remember sine 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2 and tan will be 1. Here this 0 by 1 is 0, 1 by 0 is undefined. So this way you can remember three angles. Now left out two angles. That means 30 degree and 60 degree. Okay, 30 degree, sine 30 degree, if you remember 1 by 2, okay, other will be root 3 by 2 and same root 3 by 2 right here, cos 30, this will be 1 by 2, again cos. So this cos mark you remember in your mind so that you can get everything. So all things you can get in one shot. So this is 0, this is pi by 2, this is pi by 4, this is pi by 6, pi by 3. So always remember in both format, degree format as well as radian format, because they might ask in sometime degree, sometime in radian to confuse you. So remember that you should be good at both way, so that if you practice from the beginning class all these things, small things, I will tell you this is a key point to crack any exam. It might be your CET, it might be your JEE or it might be your JEE Advanced. So problems might be big, okay, or complicated, but I will tell you if you remember the small things, okay. So the complicated problem you can reduce to simple problem. That we'll see discuss in the later session, level 2 and level 3, okay. But my sincere request is and suggestion is, remember these things. Put effort, today effort. I mean, so today you put your 5 minutes effort to remember like this chart. Connect, interconnect one to one and try to create your own jokes, mnemonics relate to these values, okay. Something, creativity you create yourself and try to remember. As I said, so if sine 0 is 0, sine 90 is 1. So if you remember one, rest of the everything you can remember. Interconnect somehow and put effort to recall daily at least 5 minutes. I'll tell you rest of your job will be very easy. Now we'll discuss about angle wheels. So it is a new concept and very interesting. This wheel concept will give values of sin theta as well as cos theta and tan theta. Especially we supposed to remember when it is rotate one revolution. So it will be give value 0, pi by 2, pi and 3 pi by 2 and again 2 pi. I mean to 0, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree and 360 degree. It is one revolution. Okay. Now again we will rotate one more revolution. Now again you should check when it is comes to 90 degree what happens, when it is comes to 180 degree what happens, when it comes to 270, when it is comes to again 360 what happens, what is the value at that point. Okay, that is most important, and those values you supposed to remember minimum for 5 revolution or 6 revolution. It will be very useful in future chapters. So when complicated problems comes, when you look into the value of that revolution, how much it was rotated, you can easily convert into smaller value. I mean to any revolution, it may be 10 revolution, 100 revolution, whatever, we can convert within 360 degree, because again it will same, it is rotation, right? Single rotation, simple rotation, you can convert within 0 to 2 pi values. So this is the idea where you should put effort. Complicated problem you should reduce to smaller one by remembering these angle wheels. So let's see angle wheels. So in angles wheel, what we supposed to do is write one circle. Okay, big circle I am writing. Okay, so first values you put, this is 0. Okay, this value at this point pi by 2. I'll write in the top pi by 2. So here this value will be pi. Okay, this is 3 pi by 2. Okay, again this value is 2 pi. So angle rotated from 0, and this is considered A, this is B, this is C, this is D point. Now this OA start rotated, came to pi by 2, then pi, then 2 pi, 3 pi by 2, then 2 pi. Okay, so in the top I'll write this is 90 degree, this is 180 degree, this is 270 degree, this is 0 and 360 degree. Okay, so now after getting one complete rotation, it will start move to the second revolutions. Okay, now we supposed to know when it will move from 0 A to 0 B, what is the value at this point. How do you calculate that value? It is very simple. So you just add 2 pi, one revolution 2 pi, then add pi by 2, 90 plus pi by 2. That will give how much? 3 pi, sorry, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 pi, that is 5 pi by 2. 5 pi by 2, right? 5 pi by 2. Now this 5 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2 plus again 90, it will reach here, then again it will come down. So add one more pi by 2, what happens? So it is common denominator 2, so 5 plus 1, 6 pi, it will go, it is 3 pi. So it is 3 pi. Is it clear? Now 3 pi happened, then now it moves to the fourth quadrant, that is 3 pi plus pi by 2. What happens? 3 pi plus pi by 2. So 5 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, that is 7 pi by 2. So that is 7 pi by 2. Now 7 pi by 2 you got, again add pi by 2, so that means it is 8 pi by 2 to the 4, that is 4 pi. So this place is 4 pi. Is it clear? Now 2 complete rotation done till here. Okay, now we will start move to the one more rotation. Okay, so again calculate, that is 4 pi plus pi by 2, that will be equal to, so 8 plus 1, 9 pi by 2. This place is 9 pi by 2. Now add again one more pi by 2, that is 10 pi by 2, so it will be 5 pi. So 5 pi. Now again reached here. So 5 pi plus pi by 2, that means 11 pi by 2. So this is 11 pi by 2. So this will be 6 pi, I can directly write. So how? Add 5 pi by 2, pi by 2, so it will be 12 pi by 2, 2 gets cancelled, it will be 6 pi. So I wrote 6 pi. So without calculation you can continue, I keep right. So what I supposed to do? Can you observe the numbers? It will be, if you observe the 3 numbers, then you can decide the next numbers. So now you try. So you understood how you supposed to calculate. Concept is clear. Now you connect yourself, you see the numbers, how it is jumps. Okay, similar fashion it repeats. Okay, this is the how idea you supposed to remember. Very small trick. Okay, so you no need to calculate every time. When you're studying, you calculate, you supposed to know the basics. You should know how exactly you got the answers. Now it is your skill how to remember that things, because whenever the problems comes, all these things not matter, it doesn't matter. You supposed to remember how exactly came. You can directly utilize these values in particular step, simplify and get the answer done. This is how you can improve your speed of calculations. Now as I said, here see it is 0, 2, 4, 6. What will be next? It will be 8 pi. It should be 8 pi, 10 pi, 12 pi. All even pi will be coming in a 0 place. Remember, value of 0 equal to 2 pi equal to 4 pi, 6 pi, 8 pi, 10 pi. Everything it will be same. I mean to say, sin 0 is 0, sin 2 pi is 0, sin 6 pi is 0, sin 8 pi is 0, sin 100 pi is 0, sin 1000 pi is 0. Everything is 0 only. See, small idea, so you are able to supposed to get every values. Similarly, sin 0 is 0. Similarly, sin pi also 0. It will all be in the x-axis only. So sin 3 pi also 0, sin pi also 0, sin 101 pi also 0, sin 1001 pi also 0. So this is how sin 0 0, sin pi is 0. So all the angles will be 0 only, because it will come in and touch x-axis at that point. Okay, this is a small idea. Similarly, here you could see this is pi by 2. Next value you can see pi plus 4, that is 5 pi. 5 pi plus 4, it is 9 pi. So what it should support the next value? You reached here, then you are started here. So 9 pi plus 4, so it will be 13 pi by 2. Is it clear? What happened here? Pi, 2 pi, 5 pi. Next value should be, it is 7 pi. Is it clear? 7 pi. Now here again 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 4 it's supposed to be how much? 11 plus 4, 15 pi by 2. Again moving here, it is 6 pi, now 8 pi. So as the angle keep moving the wheel, so it will be jump in a 2 fashion. One is at OA, it will jump even pi, 0, 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi. Right opposite to that, at C position, it will be pi, 3 pi, 5 pi, 7 pi, 9 pi. Okay. And at Y position, B and D position, first value is pi by 2, remember. Similarly, at negative Y, it will be 3 pi by 2. That means 270 degree. Pi by 2 is 90 degree. 3 pi by 2 is 270 degree. Now, each rotation, it will jump pi by 2 plus 4. I mean to say 5 pi by 2, then 9 pi by 2, then 13 pi by 2. Okay. Similarly, in 270 degree, 3 pi by 2, next jump will be 7 pi by 2, next value 11 pi by 2, 15 pi by 2. So these two values you supposed to remember like this, and this we call angle wheels. Wheel. Okay, so angle wheel concept you remember. Okay, do yourself at least 1 2 3 4 5 values you supposed to remember. 13 plus 4, it will be 17 pi by 2, this will be 9 pi, this will be 19 pi by 2, this will be 10 pi. That will be most useful and very important. Now think about, this is pi by 4, this is pi by 6, that means 30 degree, this is your pi by 3. Now calculate for this also, so it will be very good and very easy. I mean to say, now pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2, pi 3 pi by 2, then 2 pi. 2 pi plus how much? So 2 pi plus pi by 6, what it would be? 12 plus 1, that is 13 pi by 6. So next value is 13 pi by 6. Is it clear? Now 2 pi plus pi by 4, how much? 8 plus 1, 9 pi by 4. Or here also you can do add pi by 6. So it is 14 pi by 6. It will again sorry, not 14 pi by 6, it will be, so it will be complicated, no, not required, because it is 30 plus 45 means 15 degree. So better you add 2 pi to 60, sorry, pi by 4 you add 2 pi plus pi by 4, so it will be easy. So 9 pi by 4, so 9 pi by 4. Now 60 degree you can calculate two way, that is standard way, 2 pi plus pi by 3, that is 7 pi by 3, or 13 pi by 6, here it is there, plus add 30 degree, that means pi by 3. So 30 plus 30 will be 60, am I right? So it will be 13 pi plus 2 pi, that is 15 pi by 6. Three twos are 6 plus 1, 7 pi by 2. That will be 50. Okay, only consider this. So 2 pi by plus pi by 3, that will be 7 pi by 3. 7 pi by 3. Okay. So this way you can calculate each angles. Okay. So now here it is pi by 2 or 5 pi by 2. So if you want this angle, so 5 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2 plus 5 pi by 3, 30 degree you add, so that will be 6, 2 3s are 6, 15 pi plus 3 2 pi, so 17 pi by 6, so this will be 17 pi by 6. You can remember like this. So Further values you not required, but if you remember and keep it ready, if they ask anything bigger value, that will be very useful. You can just recollect and you can write the values. Okay, now this is one important things about angle wheel, and we'll see the table and we'll form the values for all these things. Okay, I mean to say some so this is sine, cos, tan. Okay, this is 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2. Okay, then pi, then 3 pi 2, this will be 2 pi, all values. So in 0 degree, again 0 degree, this will be 30, this is 45, this is 60, this is 90, this is 180, this is 270, this is 360. So better you write always in both values. Now it is easy, as I said, 0 is 0. So next value you supposed to see pi. So pi is here, it is 0. Am I right? Again 2 pi, 0. Okay. So this is 1 by 2, 90. Sine 90 is 1 by 2. So 3 pi by 2. It will be same value, 1 by 2. But it is minus 1 by 2. Negative value. Am I right? Negative y. This is positive y, this is negative y. Done. This is 3 by, sorry, this is 1 by root 2, sine 45. Okay. Now sine 60, root 3 by 2. Okay. Sine 90 is 1. Now if you done at least one this row, rest row will be very easy. Here 0, here 1. So alternate. 0 will come here, 1 come here, without think. So this will be again 1 by 2, and 45 is always 1 by root 2. So again 1 by 2 here, below 60 degree it will be 1 by 2, this will become here, root 3 by 2. And this part, sine 180 is 0, okay, and cos 0 is 1, and this is positive x-axis, this is negative x-axis. Here this is 1 positive, negative it is negative 1. And cos 90 is 0, 270 also 0. And this will be 1 again, positive 1, 360. So if you done with these two rows, last row is very easy. So this by this, sine by cos, 0 by 1, 0. This will be 2 get cancelled, 1 by root 3. This is 1, this is root 3, 2 get cancelled, 1 by 0, undefined. Okay, 0 by anything will be 0. Anything by 0 is undefined. Okay, 0 by 1 is 0. So it is easy, last table to remember. This divided by this, over. So this is how you can remember the table, and you can recollect all the things by x positive, y negative, x negative, y positive, y negative. These two things you should remember when you move the angle wheel. Still, at the end, you are messed and you are got fear in the exam. You felt very confused. Okay, so in such cases, last trick I will tell you, and it is very easy. Just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 column. Okay, write this is 0. Okay, this is 30, this is 45, this is 60, this is 90, and write a number 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it clear? Agree? Okay. I am talking about sine angle. Now divide throughout by 4. 4. Write 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and divided by throughout 4. Okay, now take square root. What happens? 1 by square root of 4, 0 by something, it will be 0. Square root of 1 by 4, that will be equal to 1 by 2, agree? 2 to 1s are 2 2s are. So it is 1 by root 2. This will be root 3 by 2 and this will be 1. So your sign values for 0 to 90 you got. Once you got 0 to 90 values, done. Rest all things you can, somehow you can get back all the values. This is the last idea. If you forgot everything, you can do this. Write 0, 30, 60, 90, 45, 60, 90. Then write below 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Throughout divide by 4, number 4, then take square root. That will give the value for all angles 0 to 90. Hope you enjoyed the class, you are able to understand the concept, you are able to remember all the concept what you studied. That is the most important things. Studying in one part, second part is whatever you studied you are supposed to remember. For that you put little effort and remember two things. Somehow you connect these values in your mind with your own creativity so that you can recall whenever it requires. Hope you understood the class and you are able to follow what I am doing in the class, and slowly will master in all part of your trigonometry. So you can get a smiley face at the end of the class. That is the motto of the whole class. Okay, and we are preparing for the competitive exams like CET, JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. Keep it remember, first year fundamental concepts is more important and it is give a more than 70% marks because 30% directly coming from first year concepts. Rest of the 70% is connected to first year concepts. If you good at first year concept, second year concept will be easy and you are able to score 100% even in board as well as competitive exams. So wish you all the best, wish you all the success. See you in the next class. Thank you very much.